Thinking about building teleoperation solutions? Then you need the Flexiv TDK. Featuring real-time force feedback and high transparency, it helps you complete touch-dependent tasks. The TDK force and communication protections prevent damage to robots and workpieces. Versatile and scalable, it also supports various end-of-arm tools and can synchronize multiple leader and follower arms. Paired with Flexiv's heterogeneous mapping technology, the TDK enables fluid human-robot interaction. The TDK brings human dexterity to labs, clean rooms, and remote maintenance sites where human presence is risky. It can also support embodied intelligence training through data collection. Flexiv's TDK runs on Linux and supports C++, compatible with both LAN and WAN. It makes creating customized teleoperation applications easier than ever. Flexiv TDK, teleoperation made simple.